Hello everyone, my name is Neenu Saini, Extension Lecturer, Pandit Jawaharlal Government College, Faridabad. Today we will discuss some applications of thermodynamical relations. First of all, what are thermodynamical relations? The relations between P, V, T and S are thermodynamical relations. We have four relations that are first Maxwell equation, second, third and fourth. We will derive the relation between two specific heats of gases by using thermodynamical relations. First of all, what is specific heat? The molar specific heat at constant pressure is Cp and it is written in mathematical form as curly Q upon curly T at constant pressure. Specific heat at constant volume Cv, curly Q at curly T at constant volume. As we all know, curly Q is equals to T curly S. This is y first equation, second equation. By substituting the value of curly Q in equations 1 and 2, we get Cp as T. We are substituting the value curly Q in first equation, T curly S upon curly T at constant pressure. We will write it as T curly S by curly T at constant pressure, equation number third. Similarly, Cv T curly S upon curly T at constant V equals to T curly S upon curly T at constant V, fourth equation. As we all know, entropy S can be considered as a function of T and V, and since ds is a perfect differential and can be written as ds is equals to curly S upon curly T at constant V dt plus curly S upon curly V at constant T dV. This is our equation number 5. By substituting the values of differentiating equation 5 with respect to T, we get curly S upon curly T. Differentiating with respect to T and keeping P constant, curly S by curly T at P constant, curly S by curly T at V plus curly S by curly V at T, curly V upon curly T and P is constant. We get this equation number 6. As we all know from the Maxwell relations, curly S upon curly V, curly S upon curly V at constant T equals to curly P upon curly T at constant V. We have a shortcut method to learn the mathematical equation, that is TV special program. TV special program, writing here curlies, dividing and equating. If this is in clockwise manner, the equation will be positive. If it in anti-clockwise manner, the equation will be negative. This is the shortcut method. Here T constant, here V constant. By substituting this relation, that is Maxwell relation, in equation 6, we get curly S by curly T at constant P equals to curly S upon curly T at constant V plus, we are substituting the value of curly S by curly T, that is curly P by curly T at constant V, curly V upon curly T at constant P. Here, now multiplying equation number 7, this is our equation number 7. Now multiplying equation number 7 by T, that is T curly S by curly T at constant P equals to curly S by curly T at constant V plus T curly P by curly T at constant V, curly V upon curly T at constant P. As we know from the equation 3rd and 4, multiplying, as we know from the equation 3rd and 4, T curly S by curly T P is equals to Cp, means this factor is Cp, this is Cv plus T curly P upon curly T at constant V, curly V upon curly T at constant P, equation number 8. For perfect gas, we know for perfect gas PV is equals to RT for 1 mole. Now differentiating P with respect to, we have to find the value of curly P by curly T at constant V, curly V by curly T at constant P. First of all, we have to find the value of P. P is equals to RT upon V. curly p upon curly t at constant v. V is constant, so we will get r upon v. Now I have to find out the value of v. From here v is equals to rt upon p. Curly v upon curly t at constant p equals to, at constant p is constant, that is r by p. By substituting the value of curly p by curly t at constant p, curly v by curly t by constant p in equation 8, we get Cp is equals to Cv plus T r upon v r upon p. This is equals to Cp is equals to Cv plus r square T upon Pv. We know Pv is equals to Rt for n mole, for 1 mole. For 1 mole, by substituting the value of Cp, Pv, r square T upon Rt. This is Cp equals to Cv plus r, means Cp minus Cv equals to r for perfect gas. For perfect gas. Now we will derive the relation for real gas. For real gas, we know we use van der Waals equation, that is P plus A upon V square equals to RT upon V minus V. RT upon V minus V. Here we have to substitute the values. This is our main equation, equation number 8. We have to find out the values of curly P by curly T at constant V, curly V by curly T at constant V. We have to find these values. Now we will find out the values from van der Waals equation. First of all, P is equals to RT upon V minus V minus A upon V square. Where small a and small v are the van der Waals constants. First of all, I will differentiate this equation with respect to t by keeping v constant. Here v is constant. V is constant, small v is constant. From here we will get r upon v minus v. Both in second part both the factors are constant, the differentiation is 0. Here we will get the value of curly p by curly t at constant v equals to r of v minus. From this equation we have the value of a upon v square equals to rt upon v minus p. Now differentiating this equation with respect to t at with respect to t and keeping p constant, means we have to differentiate this equation, means a upon v square is equals to rt upon v minus p. I have to differentiate this equation with respect to t by keeping p constant. A upon v square, this is minus 2a v power minus 3 differentiation, curly v upon curly t at constant p, r t upon v minus v. First of all we have to keep u into v. From here we get r upon v minus v minus plus, this is u upon v, differentiation of u upon v is equals to v square, v du upon dx minus u dv by dx. From here we will get v minus v square, v minus v. Here r is constant, I am keeping r here. Here r and t are constant, so r and t is here. V minus v square, v minus v, differentiation of 1 is 0, minus v minus v, the differentiation of v minus v is 1 and the differentiation of v is dv curly v upon curly t at constant p. From here minus 2a upon v cube curly v upon curly t at constant p equals to r upon v minus v. From here first factor is 0, we will get the second factor, that is minus rt v minus v square curly V upon curly T at constant P. By keeping these two factors at one place means minus 2a upon V cube curly V by curly T at constant P plus RT upon V minus V square curly V by curly T at constant P equals to R upon V minus V. From here curly V upon curly T at constant P is minus 2a upon V cube plus RT upon V minus V square equals to R upon V minus V. From here we will get the value of curly V upon curly T at constant P, that is R upon V minus V upon minus 2a upon V cube plus RT V minus V square. By substituting these values in the main equation, that is our equation number 8, we will get Cp equals to Cv plus T. By substituting the value of curly P by curly T, that is R upon V minus V, and substituting the value of curly P by curly T, that is R upon V minus V over minus 2a upon V cube plus RT upon V minus V square. From here Cp minus Cv equals to T, this is our R square, this is T, R square V minus V square over minus 2a upon V cube plus RT upon V minus V. By dividing R square upon V minus V square, we get Cp minus Cv equals to T R upon minus, we are dividing with R V minus V square, so means minus 2a upon V cube opposite V minus V upon R square. Here we are dividing with the factor RT V minus V square, means opposite V minus V square RT. Here we will get R minus 2a upon V cube V minus V square upon RT plus 1. We can rewrite it as Cp minus Cv is equals to R 1 minus 2a upon V cube V minus V square upon RT. Here V is very small in comparison to capital B, so here we can neglect B, so that is Cp minus Cv equals to R 1 minus 2a upon V cube, we can neglect small v, this is V square upon RT, V square V minus 1 minus 1. Cp minus Cv equals to R 1 minus 2a upon VRT minus 1. By expanding and neglecting higher terms, we will get Cp minus Cv equals to R 1 plus 2a upon RT V. This is our this is the relation for the between Cp minus Cv for real gases. Thank you.